iPhone's touchscreen is not working properly after updating to iOS 17? Don't worry. Through this entire video, I will show you how you can fix this touchscreen problem on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, check out this basic. Check for any physical damage to the screen. If your screen is cracked or broken, it will need to be repaired before it will work properly again. Clean your screen. A dirty or oily screen can interfere with the touchscreen's ability to register your taps. Use a soft and clean cloth to clean your screen. After that, try the solution to fix the touchscreen problem. Method 1. Check the 3D touch setting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, tap on Touch. After that, tap on Haptic Touch and set it fast. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 3. Try to give Reset All Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset, then tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings and you will reset all settings. Make sure by Reset All Settings, your phone's all settings will be reset. So you should remember your password as well. After all, still not working your touchscreen, try this solution. Solution 4. Remove any cases or screen protectors and check your issue. Hope your touchscreen is not working problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.